The first part of today's class, equations reducible to variable separable method. Okay. So means that suppose the given equation is in the form of dy by dx equal to f of ax plus by plus c. F of ax plus by plus c. Okay. So in that case, you should assume that ax plus by plus c as some u. Okay. So now differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate this equation with respect to x on both sides gives a into 1 plus b into dy by dx plus derivative of constant 0 is du by dx. So b into dy by dx equal to du by dx minus a. Dy by dx will be 1 by b times du by dx minus a. Okay. Du by dx minus. Okay. Now replacing these values in 1, this equation becomes du by dx minus a equal to f of u, right? F of u, right? Okay. So this will be du by dx minus a equal to b times this b taken right side. This b taken into right side. Okay. So du by dx equal to a plus b into f of. So which is purely in terms of u. This term RHS side we have purely in terms of u. I would like to take in variable separable du by a plus b into f of u d equal to dx. Dx comes to this side, it will be dx. Now using of variable separable, by using of variable separable we'll solve it. Okay, by using of variable separable we'll solve it. Okay. So write down example for this. Write down. So would like to solve an example. Solve dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3y plus 1 whole square. Solve differential equation 2x dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3y plus 1 whole square. Okay. So to solve this, I would like to assuming this as some u, 2x plus 3y plus 1 as some u. Okay. Now differentiate this with respect to x, we'll get 2 into 1 plus 3 into dy by dx plus 0 equal to du by dx. 3 into dy by dx equal to du by dx minus 2. Dy by dx will be 1 by 3 times du by dx minus 2. So replace all these values in 1. 1 becomes 1 by 3 du by dx minus 2 equal to u square. 3 goes outside, du by dx equal to, minus 2 equal to 3u square. Du by dx equal to 3u square plus 2. Now I will make it du by 3u square plus 2 equal to dx. Okay. So now it is variable separable. Okay. Using of variable separable, you can integrate this. Integrate cheyandi. Can you tell what is the value? Can you tell what is the value?
1/6 ln of mod 3u square plus 2 equals to x.
Yeah, wait a minute, please. Why all people shows as guest? Okay, fine. రావట్లేదు మనకు ప్రాబ్లం. Okay, fine. ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? So by using of variable separable method, so I'm going to solve this in next slide. By variable separable method, integral du by 3u square plus 2 equal to dx. So ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి దీన్ని? Anyone? ఎలా చేశారమ్మా?
3u square plus 2 ని z అనుకుంటాం సార్.
Okay. Then?
Differentiating z with u.
Okay. Then? What happen it will be?
du వాల్యూ
other?
ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం సార్.
Okay. Any other, please? Any other answers, please? అలా చేస్తే లాంగ్ అవుతుందమ్మా. సో దీన్ని కొంచెం ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1/x² plus a² dx ఫామ్ లో చేయాలి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ దాట్? ఇక్కడ u లేదు కదా, ని మళ్ళీ u ప్లేస్ లో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. టేక్స్ లాంగ్ ప్రాసెస్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ x² plus a²? 1/a tan inverse of x/a. ఫార్ములాస్ చదవలేదా? సో u² plus 2/3 u² plus 2/3 equal to integral 1 dx. So what is a here? A square is 2/3, a is root 2/3. So replacing in that formula 1/3, 1 by root 2/3 tan inverse of u by root 2/3 equal to integral 1 dx is x plus c. So root 3 cancel pote root 2/3 tan inverse of root 3 u by root 2 equal to x plus. So replace u now. Root 3 u అంటే ఏంటి? What is u here? 2y plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 by root 2 equal to x plus. So these are our required answer. Any doubts, please? Any doubts, please? So అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. dy by dx minus x into tan of y minus x equal to 1. So anyone, what is u? Anyone, what is u?
X tan of y minus x plus 1, sir.
Really? Any other? మొత్తం తీసుకోకూడదమ్మా. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ సంథింగ్ లో ఉండేది తీసుకోవాలి. యూని ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్
y minus x.
యా వెరీ గుడ్. y మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ని యూ అనుకోవాలి. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సైడ్ లోపల ఉన్నది ఈ అనుకోవాలి. ఓకే, యా y మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ని యూ అనుకోండి. y మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ని యూ అనుకోండి అమ్మా. నేను కూడా ఏం క్లాస్ ఇప్పుడన్నా పెట్టాడు మెసేజ్. మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాసే కదా ఇప్పుడు మీకు.
Yes, sir.
ఫైన్. ఎందుకు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేకున్నారు నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. వై ఇట్స్ సో స్లాబీ? ఓకే ఫైన్. అవన్నీ చూస్తా ఉంటే లేట్ అయిపోతాయి. సరే మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. సో రీప్లేస్ చేయండి. ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? y మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ని యూ అనుకుంటే డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. dy by dx minus 1 equal to du by dx. dy by dx equal to du by dx plus 1. Right? So replace చేస్తే 1 లో 1 implies du by dx plus 1 minus x అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? x ని x గానే ఉంచుదాం. డోంట్ వరీ, x ని x గానే ఉంచుదాం. tan u equal to 1. 1 gets cancelled. du by dx equal to x tan u. Okay. dy by dx, sorry, du by dx equal to x tan u. So separate చేస్తే du by tan u equal to x into dx. So u terms, x terms separated. So then we can apply variable separable method. Integral du by tan u integral x dx. Integral cot u du integral x dx. Integral cot x dx. Anyone, what is the formula?
Minus cosecant x square.
Any other?
ln of sin x plus c, sir.
Yes, ln mod sin u. నువ్వు చెప్పింది డెరివేటివ్ అమ్మా. చూసుకో జాగ్రత్తగా. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఫార్ములా చదవండి. ఒకరిద్దరే రిప్లై ఇస్తున్నారు. ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ యూ ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్. సో u is nothing but y minus x. u is nothing but y minus x. Replacing that gives the answer. Okay. So likewise, likewise, we would like to solve the given differential equations by variable separable method. Okay. So ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి ఓన్గా. X plus y minus a by x plus y minus b times dy by dx equal to x plus y plus a by x plus y plus b. దీన్ని ఓన్గా ట్రై చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు గ్రూప్ లో పోస్ట్ చేయండి అమ్మ. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు గ్రూప్ లో పోస్ట్ చేయండి. I will see how many will post. How many are able to solve. So we'll go for next method to solve differential equations. Okay. So that is exact differential equation method. Okay. So the second method, method 2. Method 1, variable separable amma. Method 1 is variable separable, means that when we are separated dx into x terms, dx into x terms and dy into y terms, okay, then we can integrate that kind of differential equation by directly gives the solution. That is called variable separable method. That we call it as variable separable method. Okay. So ఎప్పుడైతే మనం అలా రాయలేమో, when we are unable to express in that manner dx into x terms and dy into y terms, then we go for next method. That is called method 2 is called exact differential equation method. Exact differential equation method. Okay. Exact differential equation method. Okay. So in this case, would like to solve the differential equation is in the form of m of xy into dx plus n of xy into dy equal to 0. So here let the given dE is in the form of, here the given dE is in the form of integral m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay, we simply call it as m dx plus n dy equal to 0, or we call it as m of xy into dx plus n of xy into dy equal to 0. Okay, whatever you like. Okay, so this kind of equations, how to solve. Okay, so first we call this equation 1. We call it as exact. Equation 1 is called as exact differential equation. Called as exact differential equation. If and only if, okay, dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Okay. Okay. Right. So what is mean by dou m by dou y? What is mean by dou n by dou x? You know the difference? D by dou by derivative ki partial derivative difference తెలుసా మీకు? Dou ki d ki. For example, f equal to x square y ఇచ్చాను. So what is df by dx? What is dou f by dou x? Anyone? Anyone? What is mean by df by dx and what is mean by dou f by dou x? Anyone? ఇంత ఒకరికి కూడా తెలియదా వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై డో ఎఫ్ బై డో ఎక్స్, వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై డిఎఫ్ బై డిఎక్స్? పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ రాలేదమ్మా మీకు పియూసీలో? పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ రాలేదా మీకు?
No, sir.
పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ రాలేదా? God. Okay, fine. సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే వెరీ సింప్లీ విల్ టెల్. ఓకే, df by dx కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే uv రూల్ వాడతాం, అవునా? uv రూల్ మీన్స్ దట్ d by dx of uv is u into du by dv by dx plus du by dx into v, అవునా? సో దీన్ని చేస్తే ఆ లెక్కన df by dx is x square into dy by dx plus 2x derivative of x square is 2x into y. This is df by dx. Okay, ante when we take ordinary derivative, we treated that y is also a variable in terms of x. Y is also a variable in terms of x. Y is also a variable. Okay, but when we do partial derivative with respect to x, we treated that only x is variable, y is a constant. If you do dou f by dou y, so means that y is only variable, x is a constant. Likewise, we will treat likewise. So ante ikkada dou f by dou x ante y is a constant. So x square derivative is 2x into y. 2x into y. Y ni alage unchestam. That's it. Alage dou f by dou y ante y is a variable, x is a constant. So x square ni alage unchiste derivative of y is 1. Dou f by dou y is 1. Okay. So nothing but x square. So this is what dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. df by dx. df by dx just ante would like to treat that another variables, whatever the variables x, y, z, all are variables. We treat that. Okay, all are variables. So దాన్ని మనం partial derivative definition చూస్తాము. Partial derivative definition. Dou u bar dou f by dou x ante limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h, f of x plus h comma y minus f of x comma y by h. Okay, means that the rate of change along x direction only. Okay, so ikkada manaku function adi two dimensional function. Okay, so ikkada x plus h, y నేను చేంజ్ చేయట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ y ఏం చేంజ్ చేయట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ y ఏం చేంజ్ చేయట్లేదు. అంటే ఓన్లీ x డైరెక్షన్ లో మాత్రమే ఒక h చేంజ్ వస్తే, only along x direction some small amount of change will happen. What will be the resulting change, the rate of change we would like to find using the partial derivative. So but ikkada ide aithe both directions limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h comma y plus h minus f of x comma y by h ila chestam anamata. Not exactly this, there is another definition also there. Okay, functions of several variables cheptanu. Okay, so what is meant by exactly for functions of two variables, what it will be like that. Okay na? So that way, that's all. Okay, so partial derivative means that only along x direction. If you want dou f by dou x, only along x direction. Alage if dou f by dou y means only along y direction. So don't bother of all those things. You keep in mind wherever partial derivative comes. So ఏ వేరియబుల్ తో అయితే చేస్తున్నామో దాన్ని మాత్రమే వేరియబుల్ గా తీసుకోవాలి. రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని you don't bother. You just treat it as a constant. అదే మనం ఎక్కడైతే ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఉంటాయో x, y, z, w ఎన్ని ఉన్నా కూడా అన్ని కూడా వేరియబుల్స్ గానే తీసుకోవాలి. If there are product, you go by u rule. If there are divide, you go by u by v rule. Likewise. Okay, fine. So likewise, if the given equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, that equation is called as exact if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x, then this equation is called exact differential equation. Equation 1 is called as exact differential equation. Okay, exact differential equation. Okay, so ila exact avadam valla oka advantage undandi entante the solution of exact differential equation is in the gurtu pettukovalandi. The solution of exact okay, integral m dx. The solution we can write by using the formula directly, integral m dx. where y treated as a constant, where y treated as a constant. Integral terms free from x in n, free from x in n into dy equal to c, okay. Terms free from x in n are terms, only y terms in n, into dy equal to c. Likewise, ఏదైనా రాయొచ్చు. The terms without containing x are terms only y containing only y terms in n, అలా ఏదైనా రాయొచ్చు. Okay, anyway, so ఏదో ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. So the solution of exact differential equation is integral m dx plus the terms free from x in n into dy equal to c. That is called the solution of exact differential equation. The solution of exact differential equation. దీని యూస్ చేసి మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా సొల్యూషన్ రాయొచ్చు. That is the main advantage of exact differential equation. That is the main advantage of exact differential equation. Don't worry how it comes. There is some proof with there. So we don't bother of all those things. Okay, fine. That is the solution. Please note down. Now we'll go for examples. So write down. Solve e power y plus 1 into e power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy equals 0. Okay, solve e power y plus e power y sin x dy equal to 0. So which is in the form of, if you observe that, which is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Which is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay. సో దీన్ని మీరు కావాలంటే వేరియబుల్ సపరబుల్ లో కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఎలా అంటే, సో ఎక్స్ ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఎక్స్ ని ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చి ఈ పవర్ వై ని ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చి వేరియబుల్ సపరబుల్ లో కూడా చేయొచ్చు. నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు సాల్వ్ వేరియబుల్ సపరబుల్ ఆర్ గో బై ఎగ్జాక్ట్, నాట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ it is not possible to express in variable separable method, then definitely go for method 2, that is exact differential equation. Okay, so I'll go by exact. Okay, variable separable kuda cheyochu, you try it in your own. Okay, so I'll go by exact method. Okay, I'll go by. Okay, so ikkada what is m here? What is m? E power y plus 1 into cos x is my m. This is in the form of m dx plus n dy. That's why, right? That's why. E power y sin x is my n. Okay. Okay. Now dou m by dou y. Okay. Dou m by dou y. What is that? Anyone? Only y terms ni manam integrate cheyalama. Only y terms. Okay. So derivative of e power y is e power y. Derivative of 1 is 0. Okay. Derivative of 1 is 0, right? Derivative of cos x, it is x term, you keep it same because of x. Okay. Okay. Derivative of e power y is e power y. Derivative of 1 is 0. Cos x is x term, keep it same. Okay. This is e power y cos x. So similarly, dou n by dou x. X to cheyalama, x to. E power y is y term, so we don't bother of that. So derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay. So what happens here? Dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. So what happens with that? These both are same. That's why equation 1 is called, therefore equation 1 is called exact differential equation. Avuna? So this is called exact differential equation. Okay na? So what is the solution of exact differential equation? The solution of 1 is integral m dx, where y treated as a constant, plus integral terms free from x in n into dy equal to c. Okay. So integral m dx, what is m? We have e power y plus 1 into cos x. e power y plus 1 into cos x, where y as a constant, plus terms free from x in n, terms free from x, y, only y terms, excellent terms ఉన్న ఇక్కడ, there is no terms without x, right? ఇక్కడ x తో మల్టిపుల్ అవుతూ ఉంది, అవునా? x తో మల్టిపుల్ కాని టర్మ్స్ తీసుకోవాలి, there is no such terms, to 0 equal to 0. So e power y plus 1 is taken outside because of a constant, y treated as a constant taken outside. Integral cos x is sin x. This is our required solution. So this is our required solution. Okay. So likewise, you can find the solution using of exact differential equation method. Any doubts, please? So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. So I'll go for next one. I'll go for next one. Solve 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. dy equal to 0. So what is m here? It is in the form of m dx plus n dy. సో మామూలుగా అయితే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇది వేరియబుల్ సపరబుల్ అవుతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలమ్మా. సో నేను డైరెక్ట్ గా నాకు తెలుసు కాబట్టి వేరియబుల్ సపరబుల్ రాదని నాకు తెలుసు కాబట్టి నేను డైరెక్ట్ గా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. సో లేదు వేరియబుల్ సపరబుల్ వస్తుంది, ఇట్స్ పాసిబుల్, ఓకే, దెన్ విల్ గో బై వేరియబుల్ సపరబుల్. So it is not possible here. See why like that is, so here e power x by y is there, e power x by y. Here also e power x by y. So I cannot separate dx into only x terms and dy into only y terms. Okay, I cannot not able to write. Okay, so if you are not able to write in that manner, okay, if you are not able to write in that manner, definitely so you should go by second method. Second method కూడా కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ third method అలా వెళ్ళాలి. Okay, so అలా వెళ్తూ ఉండాలి. So anyway, so say exact అవుతుందో లేదో చూద్దాం first. So which is in the form of m dx, which is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, right? Okay, m is what? 1 plus e power x by y. N is what? E power x by y, 1 minus x by y. So dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is what? Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of e power is e power. Derivative of 1 by y. X nalage unstanu. Derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. Any doubts, please? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts, please? So e power x by y into minus x by y square. By y square. So dou n by dou x, dou n by dou x. So here you should go by UV rule, right? UV rule. So U ni alage unchudam. V ni derivative cheddam. Derivative of V ni derivative cheste 1 derivative 0, x by y is 1 by y. Plus U ni derivative cheddam, e power x by y. U power x by y. Derivative of x by y is 1 by y. Into 1 minus x by y. Okay. 1 minus x by y. Okay. So this is minus e power x by y into 1 by y. This is multiply this e power x by y into 1 by y minus e power x by y into x by y square. Both are gets cancelled. Minus e power x by y into x by y square. So dou m by dou y is same as dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y is same as dou n by dou x. Is it correct? Any doubts, please, you can ask. Okay. So these are equal, therefore this is exact differential equation. I call this a exact differential equation. One is a exact differential equation. Okay. So when one is an exact differential equation, okay, then we go by solution. The solution of one is integral m dx, where y treated as a constant, plus terms free from x in n into dy equal to z equal to c. Okay, equal to c. So what is m we have? What is m? 1 plus e power x by y. Okay, where y is a constant. Plus the terms free from x. X to free unde terms antamu. E power x by y multiply aitundi kabatti there is no free here. There is no free here also. dy equal to c, right? So integral 1 plus e power x by y dx. Derivative, sorry, integral chaptara. Anyone? What is the integral of this? What is the integral of this? Anyone?
X plus y into e power x by y.
X plus integral 1 dx is x. Okay, right? Plus e power x by y. E power x by y integration is e
Equal
power
to-
derivative is e power, and the multiple of x, because of y is a constant we have, right? Y is a constant. Y constant కాకపోతే రాదండి, constant కాబట్టి వస్తుంది. Okay, so 1 by y comes into the denominator, right? Comes into the denominator equal to c. This is x plus y into e power x by y. X plus y into చెప్పకూడదు ఎప్పుడు. X plus y into కాదు, x plus y into x plus
Yes.
y into. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, please. రాసారా? సో అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళకి ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. Y into sin 2x. It's a very simple problem. Y into sin 2x dx minus y square plus cos square x dy equal to 0. So here we cannot make separate x and y terms, okay, because of this y square plus cos square x. We cannot take into this side. Not easy. Okay, it's not possible also even. So that's why you go by method 2, that is exact differential equation method. So for that case, here m is y into sin 2x. N is minus of y square plus cos square x. I would like to verify dou m by dou y exact or not. For that case, I would like to find dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. So dou m by dou y sin 2x, x terms are constant, keep it same, 1 into sin 2x. Dou n by dou x is minus of derivative of y square is 0 because of constant. Derivative of cos square x is 2 cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus of minus plus 2 sin x cos x sin 2x. So what happens here? Both are same. Therefore, dou m by dou y equal to dou m by dou x. Therefore, equation 1 is exact. Therefore, equation 1 is exact. Okay. So whenever exact is there, the solution of 1 is integral m dx, y treated as a constant, integral terms free from x in n into dy equal to c. Integral m dx is y sine 2x dx. Terms free from x in n. So you could చూడండి. So if you see this, so this is y square. Y square, there is no x terms here, right? There is no x terms. So definitely should take that. You should take that minus y square into dy. అర్థమైందా? x మల్టిపుల్ లేని టర్మ్స్ తీసుకోవాలండి. x మల్టిపుల్ లేని టర్మ్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. x మల్టిపుల్ లేని టర్మ్స్. సో ఇక్కడ y బయట రాస్తే ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin 2x minus integral y square dy equal to integral sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2, right? Minus cos 2x by 2. Integral y square is y cube by 3, right? అర్థమవుతుందా ఎలా రాస్తున్నాను? ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫార్ములాస్ యూస్ చేసి రాస్తున్నాం. Any doubts, please you can ask. So likewise, you should solve all exact differential equations. Okay. You go by direct formula of exact method. Okay. So means that here, whenever the given differential equation is it satisfies dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Okay. So that is called exact. The solution of exact is using the formula. Okay. So if the given equation not satisfies this equation, means that dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Okay. So that we call it as okay, non-exact differential equation. Non-exact differential equation. Non-exact differential equation అమ్మా చూడండి ప్లీజ్. Non-exact differential equation ని exact differential equation గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం అమ్మా. Non-exact differential equation ని ఓకే, సో కన్వర్టింగ్ ఇంటూ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా మార్చి సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. సో కన్వర్టింగ్ ఇంటూ ఎగ్జాక్ట్. సో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఓకే, సో ఒక నాన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే సో we should multiply with some factor. We should multiply with some factor. Okay. So that multiplication factor we called as integrating factor amma. So oka non exact differential equation ni exact ga convert cheyalante so manam edo oka danto multiply cheyali, edo oka function tono constants tono multiply cheyali. So ala multiply, okay, ala multiply chesi we need to multiply with some factor. Okay, then non-exact converting into exact. So ఏదైతే మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తామో so that we call it as integrating factor అండి. Whatever we multiply to the given equation, converting into exact, non-exact differential equation into exact, that multiplication factor we call it as integrating factor. Okay, integrating factor. Okay. సో ఒక్కొక్కసారి మనం మన అబ్జర్వేషన్ ద్వారా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, అంటే ఆ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనేది మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి కనుక్కోవచ్చు. సో అన్నిసార్లు మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఆల్ ద టైమ్స్ పాసిబుల్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ with our own knowledge. Okay, so that's why would like to go for some provisos to find these integrating factors. Okay, so would like to follow some provisos to find this integrating factor. That in that first one is I write method A. Method one, you can write method one also. Okay, or method A. Okay, method A. Okay, capital A rather. Method A. Okay, so ikkada given differential equation, suppose given differential equation is of the form dy by dx equal to f of x comma y, dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. Okay, and which is not exact, and which is not exact, and which is not exact differential equation. Okay, suppose given dE and which is not exact. Okay, and which is not exact differential equation. Okay, so such kind of differential equation converting into exact. Okay, so ikkada so and f of x comma y is homogeneous function. Homogeneous function, or given dE is of the form, given dE is of the form m of x comma y into dx plus n of x comma y into dy equal to 0. Given dE is of the form m of x comma y into dx plus n of x comma y into dy equal to 0. Okay, so where m and n are homogeneous functions. Okay, homogeneous functions. So ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ని homogeneous function ఎప్పుడు అంటారంటేనండి, ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ని, so suppose my f of x comma y is like this. So x square plus y square plus 2xy, or f of x comma y is so x cube plus x square y plus xy square. Okay, so ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే x ప్లేస్ లో kx, y ప్లేస్ లో ky రీప్లేస్ చేస్తానమ్మా. Here I would like to replace x by kx and y by ky. So what happens here? Kx whole cube plus ky whole square into kx whole square into ky plus kx into ky whole square. So this is k cube x cube plus k square x square ky plus kx k square y square. So if you see that k cube can taken common from all terms, okay, then this will be written in the form k cube into f of x comma y. Okay, so means that f of x comma y is able to write in the form of k power n into f of x comma y, whenever f of kx comma ky is able to write k power n into f of x comma y, is able to write f of kx comma ky is able to write k power n into f of x comma y. Okay, so that kind of functions are called as homogeneous functions. Are called as homogeneous functions of degree n. Homogeneous functions of degree n under degree n. Okay, degree n. So this is called homogeneous function of degree 3. Homogeneous function of degree 3 is called homogeneous function of degree 3. Okay, okay. So can you say this is so this is homogeneous or not? Is this homogeneous or not? Can you say? Is it homogeneous or not? Anyone? Are you hearing my voice? Is it homogeneous or not? ఇక్కడ నేను x ప్లేస్ లో kx, y ప్లేస్ లో ky రీప్లేస్ చేస్తానమ్మా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ kx, దిస్ ఇస్ ky by k square x square plus k square y square, right? So this is k square taken common in numerator and denominator also k square taken common in denominator. Okay. So k square gets cancelled. This is k power 0 of f of x comma y, right? K power 0 of f of x comma y. Avuna kada? So this is also homogeneous of function of degree 0. Homogeneous function of degree 0. Degree 0. Okay. So this is called homogeneous function of degree 0 only. Suppose my f of x comma y, x cube plus 3x square y plus y square. Is it homogeneous? Is it homogeneous? Is it homogeneous? You should follow the notes along with me. Not only my class, all the classes you
sir.
should the same. Okay. You should write the notes along with us. Okay. Not PUC. So yes, correct. What she told. Ikkada, this is kx whole cube. This is 3. Kx whole square into ky. This is k square y square. So this is k cube x cube. This is 3 k square x square into ky. This is plus k square y square. Okay. So I can able to common k square. Then here kx cube remains. Avuna? This is 3 k x square y plus y square. But this is not f of x comma y. This is not my f of x comma y. Here k is remains. Or k cube common చేద్దాం అంటే ఇక్కడ k cube రాదు. అవునా? So we cannot write. Therefore, it is not homogeneous. It is not homogeneous. Okay. So this is not homogeneous. So is this homogeneous? xy square by x cube plus y cube. Is this homogeneous? Yes, please. Any doubts?
Homogeneous, sir.
xy square by x cube plus y cube. Is this homogeneous?
Yes, sir, homogeneous.
Yes,
The
sir.
homogeneous of degree 0.
Homogeneous,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. X plus y by x square plus x. Is this homogeneous? Or y, right y, no problem. X square plus 1.
No, sir.
Yeah, this is not homogeneous.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So this is not homogeneous. Okay. So likewise, the differential equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy, and which is not exact. Okay. So method A లో అమ్మ not method A లో not exact ని exact లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం అంటే m and n are homogeneous functions అయితే okay. So write down. So method A లో రాసుకోండి method A. So the given DE is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, and which is not exact, and M and N are, and where M and N are, where M and N are homogeneous functions. Homogeneous functions with mx plus ny not equal to 0. Homogeneous functions out to mx plus ny ny is the integrating factor. Is the integrating factor. Okay. So ఇది integrating factor అవుతుందండి. Okay. So of one. Okay, no problem. This is the integrating factor. Okay. So once you get integrating factor, so integrating factor తెలిసాక ఏం చేయాలి? We multiply with the equation 1, given equation. When we multiply with the given equation 1, that will be converting into exact. That will be converting into exact. Okay. So once it converting into exact, then we can write the solution easily. Once it converting into exact, we can write the solution easily. Okay. Adamotunda. Right. So likewise, we can converting. So method A. Okay. So non-exact differential equation into exact differential equation. Okay. So examples I will take in next class. Takes much time. So 1 or 2 examples సరిపోవు. Okay. So minimum half an hour పట్టొచ్చు. అంతసేపు పడితే మీరు ఏడుస్తారు. అవునా కదా? So okay, we'll continue this in next class. Okay, right? Any doubts? Any doubts you can ask me.
Sir, content, sir.
Content ఇవ్వలేదా మీకు? Okay, I'll share you. And కొందరు notes కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు. I'll post the video in my YouTube channel అమ్మ. You can go through there also. So whatever the class, okay, that will be shared by, okay, YouTube channel. You can follow that.